What is going on today, guys? We are back again with another tech video. In today's video, we will be explaining a fix or a solution for a problem that we just had over the last couple days when we started trying to stream with a couple of our buddies, and we couldn't hear them in the game chat. I tried with some other people, and it still wasn't working. I wasn't sure why. I tried to Google it, and I couldn't find any answers. We put our head down and tried to think of a workaround solution, and we found a super easy workaround solution that you can probably do right now without any extra spending money or anything like that. And let's get on into it. So once again, we had the problem of our in-game audio, our in-game chat, all the gameplay, all the gunfire, every sound like that was coming through onto our OBS software except my friend's voice chat, and I wasn't sure why. And here's the workaround solution that we found. So we have an AVerMedia, that's our capture device, and in case it doesn't work with other capture devices, that's the one that I tested it on, that I'm using, that I know this 100% works for. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have your headset. So I have my headset here. It is hooked up into the bottom of my PS4 controller. That is going to be my microphone for my friends in game that I am trying to talk to. Then, of course, as you can see right here, I have my streaming mic. That would be the mic that's plugged in through USB into my OBS software for my stream or my recording to hear. So that's how my voice gets into there. Now the gameplay and all of that comes in, providing you've got it set up right with the HDMIs coming in. Where you come into the issue is, and this is what you need to fix, is when you have your headset plugged into your PS4, and it might be the same for Xbox as well. When you have it plugged in, you're basically muting your audio to your TV. So when you have muted that audio to the TV, your capture device, your AVerMedia, your Elgato, whatever it may be, can no longer detect the sound. So where I came into the issue and everything else was transferring over was I had a setting that was just a little bit different than what you guys probably already had. So to actually fix that issue, and it might work, and I'm hoping it will work for you guys, is you guys will go into your settings on your PS4. And when you're on your settings, you can scroll till you find devices. When you're on devices, you're going to hit audio devices, and this is the settings that you need to change. So your input device should be set up to the microphone on the headset that you want to talk to your friends on, right here. So we have that one correct. And then we go down to one, and this is the one will automatically be switched to the headset connected to the controller as well. You're going to want to turn that on to TV. Well, this is where we encountered another issue. When we did that, we no longer could hear our friends on chat. We couldn't hear, only the stream could hear. So we needed to fix that some way, correct? So what we did for that is we left those settings there, and we used a pair of headphones that we hadn't even opened. It was just a dollar store pair of headphones, and it is actually plugged into my computer and then on the headset, so it just works as earbuds on what my computer hears. And I have that set up to only be coming through on my OBS. So only my OBS is set up to come through on the headphones. Everything else doesn't make sound. And after that, I went into on the bar where your audio input captures are. Your mic will be there. Any mic you have will be there, and then so will your AVerMedia gameplay. You're going to want to click on your AVerMedia gameplay, and you're going to want to go ahead into advanced audio properties and just turn on the monitor setting. So you're just for that specific input capture of your gameplay. And that is it. Then you can now hear through this dollar store pair of headphones, you can now hear your in-game chat. You can now hear all your games and everything like that. So what I personally do is I just use those headphones, put one in, because that's all I really need. I just put one in, and then I use my other headset with the mic to go ahead as the mic to talk to my friends. So guys, hopefully that helped out. Again, a quick brief overview of how we did it is you go ahead, you change your settings on there by going into devices, changing your audio device settings that you need to change. You're going to have your main headset with the microphone plugged in to your controller. This will let you talk to your friends. Then you're going to take your old pair of headphones or whatever headphones that you so choose, that you can put one in your ear, plug it into your computer, change your OBS settings under the advanced audio properties or advanced audio settings, whichever one it says. You change that to say output and monitor on the specific source that is your AVerMedia device. And then now you should hear everything, your stream should hear everything as well. So guys, again, this is the fix that worked for this device here, the AVerMedia device that I personally have. It might work for Elgato's, it works for PS4, might work for Xbox, not 100% sure. But again guys, this was just a fix on how I personally fix this issue. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave that subscribe, hit the like button, and then go check out my main channel as well. Until next time, peace.